How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android phone. If this video helped you out, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel. It really helps us out. Before we dive into recovering deleted messages, let's first check your archived messages. Sometimes the message you are looking for might be there. Here's how you do it. Open the Messenger app on your device, select the menu button in the top left corner. In the menu, you will see an option for archived. Go ahead and select that. Once you're in archived messages, you can scroll through it to see if the messages you need is there. Simply swipe the message from the right to left. You will see an option to unarchive. Tap that and the message will return to your main chat list. First, go to your Facebook and then go to your settings. Then click on settings. After that, you can see learn to manage your information. Simply click on that. You need to select Facebook or Instagram. Simply select Facebook and then select I want to manage my data. And after that, select download my data. And that's it. Now you know how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more updates, and I'll see you in the next video.